think I need to adjust my headlights. It'll be fine. What's up, guys? Thank you for hanging out with me today. Once again, we are out here. Yo, look at this S2K soft top. Carbon hood, carbon lip. This thing is fire. Oh man. Wide body. Carbon trunk. Damn. Yo, look how wide that is. Damn. That is clean. I have never seen this thing before. A wagon? What is this? It looks like a Subi, but then it also looks like a Skyline from the front. Hey, how's it going? Oh, right-hand drive. Nice. Yeah, GTR. Carbon lip. Oh, mirror's cool. Little Skyline. The silver, the gray, and bronze is nice. Bronze accents. A nice Skyline. Got the Hondas, Type R. The old Type R. Another old Type R. That new one is really nice though, bro. I really want one of those, low key. Yo, this M3. Yo, this is a CS. Holy. Carbon hood. Yo, this is clean. Little wing on the back. And the M2. I really like these. These are really nice. But definitely get the M3 CS. Oh, this whole thing's cool, bro. Little beach car. Yeah, that's nice. I drive that to the beach every day. Damn, purple.
What's the name of the color?
That's a nice color. Couple of big bodies. A lot of Beamers out here. Couple Porsches. Okay. Yeah, GT3 RS over there. I'm gonna check that out later. Oh, this. Oh yeah. Oh, it's too hot for those seats. Yeah, this is mint, bro. Little shifter. Oh yeah, that's nice. Need one. Oh, hurting the dog. Yo, this might be the cleanest M2 I've seen. And I think that's stock. I think. I don't know. Do the higher trims come with the carbon? I don't know. Carbon roof? Yeah, that's fire. Damn, look at those wheels. Interior. Slaps. Oh, got a shirt on the ground. Look at that rear end, bro. That is nice. Never seen a slammed Maverick. Oh. Yeah, that's official. Sits on bags? What? That's crazy. That's clean though. A little bag truck. I don't think I've ever seen that. Brother, check out this Bronco, bro. This. Whoa, almost died. Oh yeah, that's official. That is a beach car right there. Damn, am I short? Oh, doors go up. It's a nice Aventador though. Interior, yellow stitching. It's nice. Gotta have that V12, bro. Look at this wing. Holy. Brother, that is nice. It's crazy somebody can just drive this around. What? Oh, freshly cleaned. Okay. It's a nice yellow too. Really nice. Oh man, this might be the most well put together Datsun I've ever seen. Brother. The nicest color, bro. Holy crap. Look at that. Oh, god damn. Holy. Who's racing him? Not me. This thing is nice. Recaro seats. Right-hand drive, yep. That's official. That's nice. I didn't know the RX-7s had this little like indent right here. I didn't know that until recently. Damn, brother. Supras? Which one's winning? I don't know. Yeah, I love this color. I love this color on Mustang, bro. Look at that. That is nice. The brown seats. This low-key might be my spec. Put some white seats in here. Bro, that's it. Damn. That's nice. We got the green McLaren out here. What? Oh, yo. This is the off-road Lamb. I think it was a Storado, I think. This is crazy. Oh, hell yeah, bro. That is nice. What? What? This thing is crazy. And it's wide body? What? Yo, look at the seats. Holy crap. And it's a nice color. That is nice. I would drive that. Dang, Ford GT? Sheesh. I don't think I've... Last time I seen one of these was like 5-6 years ago. Damn, yo, that looks mad uncomfortable. But fun. Nice color. Next to the Aventador. Damn, SVJ. Sheesh. Oh yeah, that's sick. Official. It's a nice color. It's a really nice color. Yo, 720? What? 720S. My bad. Dry carbon. Seats. Seats look comfortable. This is nice. I don't know. McLarens are nice. They didn't really do it for me. But I really do like them. I just wouldn't drive one. Nah, I'm lying. I would drive one. I just wouldn't buy one. Hell yeah. Look at the wing. Jeez. Shit like something out of Warframe. Oh yeah. I need one of these. Low key. Get a little Alfa Romeo. I've seen it before. Yeah, this looks fun. I'd buy this. Oh, we got the best car in the world. next to a Nismo. I don't think I've ever seen a GTR Nismo just out in the wild. Look at carbon. That's a big ass wing. Yo, look at the diffuser. Damn. I would leave this car just like this. Yeah, that's nice. Can't go wrong on a Nismo, man. I'm telling you. I get this over the 720S. And I know that sounds crazy, but I really like this. Sheesh. Got the Nickelodeon green. Okay. Alright, I get it now. Yo. I get it now. The really bright colors. Oh, BBS's? Okay. Yeah, this is nice. The Halloween spec. But no, that's a nice orange. It did that really well. I don't know if I'd be able to pull that off. Get something this bright and not knowing if it'll look good. Nah. But this is clean though. I really like that. All right, this M3 is sick. BBS's gotta do it, of course. Oh, that's a nice color. It's like a burnt red orange almost. That's weird. That's clean. Yeah, y'all can't tell me that the new grille doesn't look better than the old ones. They look way better. The car looks more complete. It looks finished, if anything. But I know that's controversial, so I happen to like the facelift. The M2s, love them. Same thing. It took me a while to like these though. That's the best part about leaving meets is that everybody's like on the road together. That shit is fun, bro.